So before you come in my comments and say that I didn't say it, I just said it, okay? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by WowAfrican. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now before I get into this pre-styled natural wig, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from WowAfrican. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. So this is a pre-styled Kinky Edge 8-inch bob. I did try, I feel like it was like the longer version of this wig a couple months ago, and you guys know I really liked it. The edges are looking pretty decent. They did put some product in the front of mine to kind of, you know, gel it back a little bit, but we're gonna work that out once I get it on my head. Let me fix the straps in the back. I'm gonna leave it on the first hook, and we're gonna keep the elastic band where it is. So, do I need to tint my lace? Even though they did bleach the knots, you know, I got a little tan, so I wanna make sure it's melted. I'm gonna use my dark radiance, my black radiance soft focus powder in the color milk chocolate. Put it all around the edge of the hairline. My wig did come with the silicone ear tabs and nape for a more comfort fit around your head. This is big head friendly. I'm not sure what cap size they sent me, but I will verify with them in the description box. This is how we are looking. That left side part, I mean, she looked good. It's just not my ministry. I like a right side part. WowAfrican, I'm a right side girl. Let me just look at these ear tabs. They real long, so we'll have to cut some of that off. This should be a very easy install because the hair is already styled. You just put it on your head. Now, if you want to go in and wash your wig, just understand your curls may not look like this. So before you come in my comments and say that I didn't say it, I just said it, okay? When a wig is pre-styled, it means it's already styled out the pack. You can just put it on your head, brush it, touch up curls, and go. However, if you go in and wash the wig, it's no longer pre-styled. Okay, I don't want to catch it. It's fitting nice over my ear tabs, so I shouldn't have to cut too much off, I think. Y'all know I can't see. Do I want to cut off more? Real close to my eye. I don't think I want it that close. Cut that off. I'm gonna get my blow dryer and my bristle brush. I'm gonna straighten out these edges before I fix my part. And put it on warm and high and move real fast. The hairline is pretty thick, so I do want to thin it out a little bit on my sides. So I'm gonna pull some out right here. And a little bit right there. Okay. Pull a little bit out right here. It's looking pretty good though. A little bit more over here. So it's going straight down like that. Just broke it up a little bit. Where's that track? Normally they give me a 13x6, so you get a good amount. Use my blow dryer and just bring it over. Hold up, I gotta curve that out because it's a little too straight. Let me just take this out right here. Come on. Bring that out. There we go. Okay, because your hairline doesn't go straight down like that. It has a curve to it. I'm gonna use my razor here in the front, but I'm gonna use my scissors on the side just to make sure I don't cut into my hairline accidentally. Just follow the hairline. Take my melt spray, spray it across the front. Blow dry it a bit. Bring it down, bring it down. I could tweeze up a little bit of this front right here. I don't want to give it like a widow's peak, but I don't want it to be like super square either. This lace always blends perfectly. Let's go ahead and wrap this down. They didn't send me a band, but we're gonna use what I got to get the look that I want. Let's take off this band. Because I sprayed it down, we're gonna peel it from the top down. Okay, okay. What is that supposed to be? I don't know. Let me get my scissors. Better. And just brush back these hairs a bit. Brush it back, way back. I'm just gonna use the excess on my contour brush to go around my hairline. I don't think I need to put any extra on it. Let me look up It's a little ashy right there. Whatever cream contour you have, you can use. I'm using the Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color 𝐃𝐄𝐓𝐀𝐈𝐋𝐒. On the brush, tap it on the paper, and then work it around that hairline. The lace is pretty much melted though, so I don't gotta use too much because I don't want it to be orange when I step outside. Because I shifted my part, the curls on the top are not as defined as I would want them to be. If you want to touch up your curls a little bit, you can definitely do that. Hold it a bit and see what happens. This is definitely giving like a water wave look on a textured wig. I'm just gonna bump the ends a little bit because the ends are really like straight and they have some product on it. Not really sure why. So it kind of makes the hair look unfinished, and I don't want that. Hold up, y'all. I had to go back in and fix this part. I didn't think I wanted a hard part, but I do. So, and I added a little bit more curl around the wig. Wrap it around. I held it. Let it go. Before I combed it out, I just sprayed it down. That's it. That is your sign to use your hairspray. All right, put a little razzle dazzle on it real quick. Okay, now I think I'm done. No, I'm not. Hold up. a little swoop like that. Not that much. Swoop it back like that so it's not so perfect. There we go. Now we're done. Hold up. Drink your water, child. Listen. Out the pack, she may be a little flat, and you will need to tame her a bit to get her back how you may want her. It is a lot of hair around the front for the kinky edges, so you will need to go in and pluck it out. Unless WowAfrican decides to go ahead and, you know, tame that up a bit, that'll be great. I mean, the look came together really nicely, so I have no complaints about the wig. No shedding, no tangling. I mean, the look is here. Let me go ahead and pop out my shoulder because yeah, I'm feeling real spicy. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to WowAfrican for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.